Yeah? Is that what you did today? What'd you do? You were chilling playing? Were you? Yeah, you were with mommy chilling? What'd you guys do? Did she take good care of you?
We did laundry.
She fed you? You did daddy's laundry? Oh, thank you, bebes. Oh. Oh, for real? It was a lot of work? You did it?
Yes, we folded everything.
You did it? You helped mommy? You're excited to help her? Oh, you were? Oh, you excited? You're such a good helper to mommy. Abrazo. Abrazo. Give me a hug. Besito, besito. Besito, besito. Papi, besito. Besito, besito. Oh, besitos. Besitos. I love you, baby. I missed you. I had a good day today. Yes, I did. It's even better because I'm with you. Oh, yes.
I love her yawns. They're contagious. I love my baby.
Look how strong you are. You stand up? You stand up, baby? Oh, yeah? What you looking at? What you looking at? Hey, how was your day? You want to talk to me? How was your day, baby? Hey, how was your day? You had a good day? Did you? Oh, yeah? I want these hiccups to go away.
You know what I noticed? That, like, you know, like, I guess hiccups happen when there's not enough oxygen going to your brain, I guess. And then I don't know, like, I just try to, like, have a steady, like, deep breaths. And I just keep doing, and I put her against my chest, and I notice that they go away a little sooner. Yeah. And it's like you kind of slow her rhythm down, and maybe you, like, we make her breathe. Just hug her tight. Doesn't it feel amazing to deep breathe like that? You're gonna fall asleep. Doesn't it feel amazing?
Yes. I'm just so excited too to be with my baby.
Abrazo.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Abrazo, abrazo, abrazo. Abrazo, abrazo. Betito, betito, betito. Betito, betitos. Put on some jams.